What if we were able to completely redesign how education looks to better engage, to provide more relevance, and to really just do a better job of educating our students? Orion High School is a high school that's focused on preparing students for their future careers. There's really nothing else like it here in our region. The idea to build a smaller, innovative high school provided an opportunity for us to innovate. Innovation means we're solving a problem. And so we identified some of the different problems we could solve in our community and really ensuring that we have students graduating prepared to enter into the workforce in high demand areas of need in our region. I think the combined comprehensive approach that we take is very, very unique. Our contents aren't taught within silos. It's a lot more of creating and building and designing and presenting and finding solutions to real world problems. Our signature programs are health science, engineering, and advanced manufacturing. Typical day for our students looks very different here. They have a morning block of classes and an afternoon block of classes. And one of those blocks is really where you get a lot of your core academic classes. We have a geography class, a physics class, and an English language arts class. And there's times where you're getting just instruction within those contents, and then there's times where all of the doors are opened up and there's a whole lot of overlap happening. We've designed our program around the idea that 9th and 10th grade is really about exposure to careers and exploration of those careers. Every 9th grader takes our Introduction to Engineering class. We want them to become very, very familiar. We want our students to know that health science careers include a whole lot more than just doctors and nurses. Then as we transition from our 9th and 10th grade year into our 11th and 12th grade year, it moves away from exposure and exploration into education and experience, where now we're looking at providing the opportunities for students to earn not only their high school diploma, but also industry-recognized certifications, having hands-on internships, being able to do work-based learning, being able to graduate from high school with the ability to enter directly into the workforce or with a head start on the college and the post-secondary training that they need to be able to pursue the career of their choice. I see students that have found their passion and the thing that really excites them pursuing something that they're super interested in, and so it doesn't really feel like school anymore. I am so proud of the students that attend Orion High School. They show up every day and they give us their best, and they have found that the opportunities that we're providing them are really going to be critical in opening doors for them in their future.